Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to form questions using ano. If you translate the word what in Tagalog, it can both be ano and ano-ano. Ano is used if what you are asking about is singular or only one, while ano-ano is used if what you are asking about is plural or more than one. Today, I'm only going to show you some examples on how you can form questions using ano and ano-ano. And of course, I am pretty sure that there are several other ways that I'm not going to be able to cover in this single video, but I hope that the examples here can help you get started and help guide you in forming your own questions in Tagalog. So without further ado, let us begin. If you're going to use ano with demonstrative pronouns like this and that, you just simply say ano and then the Tagalog demonstrative pronoun. Halimbawa, ano ito? What is this? Ano iyan? What is that? Ano iyon? What is that? So yes, Iyon and Iyan are both that in English. You use Iyan if what you are referring to is near or close to the person you are talking to. And you use Iyon if you are referring to something that is far away from you and the person you are talking to. If you want to learn more, I've made a video about Tagalog demonstrative pronouns. I will place the link at the upper right corner of this video and at the description. Now, if you're using verbs, you add ang. So, for example, you want to say, what are you doing? You say, ano ang ginagawa mo? So, we added ang before the verb or action. Isa pang halimbawa, ano ang sinasabi niya? What is he or she saying? Ano ang kinain ninyo? What did you eat? What you will notice on my examples is that I used object-focused verbs in all of them. This is something that you can take note of. Most likely, you'll use object-focused verbs if you are asking what. Why is that? Well, because when you are asking what, the focus is not on the actor or doer of the action, correct? So we should not use actor-focused verbs. And what do you remember about object-focused verbs when it comes to the subject or focus of the Tagalog sentence? If you are using object-focused verbs, the subject in the sentence is not the doer of action, right? Let us look at the examples. Here, I mainly used pronouns for the doers of action. So instead of using subject pronouns, I used non-subject pronouns or out of focus. Okay, more examples. This time, I won't use pronouns for the doers of action. Ano ang pinaplano ni Sarah? What is Sarah planning? Ano ang binabasa ni Joseph? What is Joseph reading? So if you look at these two examples, the markers that I used before the doers of actions are ni, not si. Because si is a subject marker, And again, the doer of action should not be the subject or focus. So we should not use see. Next examples. Ano ang papanoorin ng mga bata? What will the kids watch? Ano ang sinabi ng doktor? What did the doctor say? So now, we use the marker nang because we only use ni for names. So Sarah is a name, Joseph is a name. If it's not a name, we use the marker nang for non-subjects. Also, you'll sometimes hear anong. That's because we like to shorten this. So instead of ano ang, we say anong. For next examples, how about we use ano-ano? Ano-ano ang mga binili mo? What did you buy? This one, you can say it if you know that the person you are talking to bought several things or more than one thing. That's why you use ano-ano. Ano-ano ang mga pinuntahan ninyo roon? What did you visit there? Again, you're not just asking about one place they visited, but you are asking about places, more than one. Ano-ano ang mga dinala ni Allison? What did Allison bring? Ano-ano ang mga niluluto ni Helena? What are Helena cooking? And lastly, if in English you would like to ask, what is the? You would still begin your Tagalog question with ano ang. Halimbawa, ano ang kulay ng sasakyan niya? What is the color of his or her car? Ano ang lahi ng aso mo? What is the breed of your dog? Ano ang tatak ng bag mo? What is the brand of your bag? And once again, you will hear anong instead of ano ang. They're exactly the same. Anong kulay ng sasakyan niya? Anong lahi ng aso mo? Anong tatak ng bag mo? Well, there you go. That's it for today's video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.